Today we're working on the elevator assembly. Step 1. We're going to go ahead and cleco and rivet together the elevator center channel and the two main spars for the elevator. Those two things. So let's go ahead and get started. For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com. Elevator step 1 took 1 hour to complete. Total build time so far is 46 hours 30 minutes. Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.